Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these very simple chocolate chip cookies. The first thing you want to do is make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature and then preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The ingredients include 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cups of light brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 14 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, 1 or 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. So first we're just going to go ahead and whisk all of our dry ingredients together. Set that bowl to the side, and in a separate bowl, mix together your butter, your shortening, and both of your sugars. Next, add both of your eggs, your vanilla extract, and mix all of that together. This is how your wet ingredients should be looking so far. Next, add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix on low, and then gradually increase to a higher speed, but do not overmix. Add your chocolate morsels and just mix quickly so that they're all incorporated into the dough. Now take your cookie dough scoop and just scoop dough onto your cookie sheet and make sure they're far enough so they do not spread and touch each other once they bake. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, and here you have some delicious chocolate chip cookies. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more recipe videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.